Hey, what's going on, you guys? So today I'm doing an unboxing of the Yeezy 350 V2 Israfils. So before I start this unboxing, I'd like to welcome the 2 new subscribers to the channel. It really means a lot to me. I'm still figuring out how I want to structure this channel and how I want to do things, so just bear with me. Hopefully we'll end up somewhere we both like. So yeah, I was able to pick up this pair from the Yeezy supply website, and this is the first W I've gotten on the site after 4 years of trying. And when it showed up, the tape on the box reminded me of the first Yeezy I ever copped, and it was the Zebras 3 years ago. So I recorded that video when I was still an intern at the design agency I work at right now. And looking back, I was so afraid of people judging me and stuff that I just never uploaded that video. And over the course of the last 3 years, I've learned that it doesn't matter what people think of you, and you're going to fail. And speaking of failing, Jesus, it would not be a hype collector video if everything just went smoothly. I just swear to God. So the Israfils comes in your standard 350 V2 box, and I'm not gonna go in depth about it because you guys have seen this box a million times. But on that note, I've noticed that a lot of people are saying that they're tired of the Yeezy color palette and they want Kanye to switch it up. And to that, I want to make an analogy. Would you ask Cause to change up the colors of his figures or change up the way he paints just because you're burnt out on seeing the same thing over and over again? See, I don't think Kanye views himself as a commercial artist, like an artist that serves the people, but rather an artist that serves himself, that make work about himself. And it's kind of like how Pablo Picasso would approach his work. And no, it's not ideal for a commercial product like a sneaker. But in the words of Richie Lee,
I'm just trying to see the vision.
Anyways, let's take a look at why you're actually here. And man, I can't express how much I like these in person. They look so good. I just think this color combination is just so clean. And I really don't know how to express how nice these are other than doing a montage like I did in my last video. So if you guys don't mind, let's take a closer look. So after getting to spend a couple of days with this Yeezy, I'm really appreciating this new lacing system. So I never tie my Yeezys, and this little thing right here makes it feel so much more refined than having 2 things sticking out the side. And then this back portion is really bright compared to the rest of the sneakers, so whenever I wear a dark pair of pants, this really pops. Like compared this to my Fear of God sweater, it's really standing out. And when you take a look at the sneaker as a whole, I really like how low contrast the 2 color stitches are, that cream color and that really desaturated dark denim color. And from far away, it looks like kind of just a gray blue shoe, but when you get close, you're rewarded with these, I don't know, this beautiful textures. But what I don't like about the shoe is that the back portion here doesn't have a heel tab. And I wish that orange went all the way to the side, and I also don't like how this just terminates right here. I feel like with the earlier Yeezy models, how it kind of gradients out, it feels more thoughtful, whereas this feels like an afterthought. But yeah, I think that wraps up everything I think about the shoe. Did you guys cop a pair? What do you feel about them? Leave your thoughts down in the comment section. But either way, I want to thank you for watching this video, and yeah, you guys are the best. Bye.